A large and intense bomb cyclone slammed California on Tuesday, which brought widespread damaging winds and heavy rain to portions of the state, even prompting some severe thunderstorm warnings in areas south of the San Francisco area. Satellite imagery from March 21 showed an incredible storm system spinning just off the coast of California. Originally, only one area of low pressure was forecasted, but something very interesting happened. Radar data showed two well-defined areas of low pressure spinning off the central California coast, resulting in a phenomenon called the Fujiwara effect. For those who may not know, the Fujiwara effect is the interaction between two similarly sized low-pressure centers rotating around a common center. One area of low pressure slammed into the Monterey Peninsula and Santa Cruz, California early on Tuesday afternoon, which prompted severe thunderstorm warnings alerting residents of destructive winds to 80 miles per hour. Eventually, one area of low pressure absorbed the other, which is actually very rare. This strengthened the storm over the San Francisco area, which is why we saw widespread damaging winds across the region. These damaging winds blew out windows in San Francisco skyscrapers, resulted in widespread tree and power line damage, which led to a significant amount of power outages. But this massive storm system won't end here. We are now entering the second portion of this video, in which I will be showing you what to expect from this storm in the coming days. As the storm moves through the southwest today, additional rain and mountain snow is expected. When it reaches the central United States on Thursday, a round of severe thunderstorms is possible over the southern plains, with a flood threat developing from Oklahoma to Ohio. The storm will continue gaining strength on Friday, with an even greater flash flood risk and a potential tornado outbreak in parts of the Mississippi River Valley region. Severe storms will be possible over the southern plains on Thursday afternoon and evening. Taking all the outlooks into consideration, it's looking like large to very large hail is going to be the primary concern, from north-central Texas into central Oklahoma. Isolated to scattered large hail events may occur from the Mexican border all the way to Illinois. The flash flood threat will start ramping up on Thursday, from northern Texas to western Pennsylvania. The area expecting the heaviest rainfall looks to be a corridor from eastern Oklahoma to southern Indiana. As the storm system heads east into very warm and humid air, an outbreak of severe weather may develop on Friday. The Storm Prediction Center upgraded portions of Louisiana into southeast Arkansas and western Mississippi to an enhanced risk of severe storms. Conditions will be very favorable for supercell thunderstorms producing tornadoes, some of which may be strong, along with damaging winds and large hail. Further north, the flood risk will amplify. Widespread heavy rain possibly leading to flooding will be possible from eastern Texas to southwest Pennsylvania. An area of higher concern for flooding is in place along much of the Ohio River, from northeast Arkansas into southwest Ohio. I have also created a rainfall forecast for the next 3 days, from Wednesday through Saturday morning. Areas in light green should expect a ½ inch of rain up to an inch. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible in the dark green. Flash flooding problems will start arising in the yellow shade, where 2 to 3 inches of rain will be possible. 3 to 4 inches of rain may fall in this light orange shade, with as much as 5 inches in this red shade. It's also important to note that locally heavy rainfall will be possible. This could be an issue especially in areas that receive multiple rounds of heavy storms. And that concludes today's forecast. If you enjoyed this video and you are interested in seeing more weather content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you, and see you soon.